Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to call someone on Viber. So it's very easy. First of all, to do that, you just have to download Viber from Play Store if you are using Android. But if you are using iOS, then just go to App Store. So I have already downloaded my Viber in Android mobile. So just click on this Viber app. Now go to the contact that you want to call. So for example, just click on this purple circle icon which is in the right bottom side. Just click on this. And here you need to select a message or just search for contact number that you want to. Just click on this, and here in the top bar you can see the phone button. So just click on that and you are in their call. And you can also video call them by clicking on this video sign which is beside the phone one and between phone or three dot button. So in this way you can just call someone on Viber in few seconds. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.